Zach, I have a problem. Me and Nibbles, we don't agree. I think I'm the fastest in the world. I'm so fast I can go vroom, 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 vroom. But him, he's a slowpoke.
No, I'm not a slowpoke. I can go really fast. Look at this. Yes, I can zoom across this room. Look at this. Vroom. Look, I'm gone. Zoom. I'm really back again. What do you think, Zach? Who is faster?
Well, to be honest, I don't really know, but I have a challenge that could decide that. You guys like traveling, right?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, so why don't you guys have a challenge to see who can travel across the earth the fastest? Make sure to get some good stopovers and send me some photos.
So you're gonna pay my airplane flight?
Yeah, about that. No.
Aww.
That is a very good idea. Do you think you guys can make it on your own? Traveling across the world? Traveling on boats and cars and airplanes and trains?
Okay, I think I can do it. Can you do it, Nibbles? What do you think?
Yeah, I can do it. I'll be so fast, nobody will ever see me coming and going. I'll be so fast. Like this. Whoa, look at how fast I am.
Alright then, so I guess we'll begin tomorrow?
Okay, let's do it.
Alright then.
Okay, here's the plan. You leave from Ottawa to Brazil, then England, then Egypt, then Australia, and then back to Ottawa again. Don't forget to pack your bag, your passport, and of course take a picture at each place so I know you were there.
Hey, Mr. Uberman, can you bring me to the nearest ocean, please?
All right, you ready, little pig?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, you're going to be flying over the city. Boy, I don't think Nibbles can catch up with you now.
Whee! I can see all of Ottawa. I need to find the airport.
I'm off to Brazil. There must be a faster way.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is the captain speaking. Just about ready to depart. We should be away on schedule in the next couple of minutes or so. Flight time will be...
I'm going to Brazil. Yay, I'm gonna see the Amazon forest.
Wow, look at that snake.
Hey, pretty bird, what you doing? Quack, quack. Wow, look at the sloth. He is so slow.
Wow, well, that's a quetzal. They're very green birds. They're so pretty. Wow, I'm in London, England. Wow. Which train is this anyway?
What a beautiful fountain. It's very pretty. I'm off to Egypt.
Hey, where can I buy some hummus around here?
Wow, now I'm at the pyramids. They're so pointy.
Off to Australia now. The land of the kangaroo.
I could die, mate.
Wow, a duckbill platypus. How are you doing, Mr. Duckbill?
A giant red rock in the desert.
A koala bear. Oh, they're so fuzzy. It's time for me to get back to Ottawa. I want to win, and I'm going to win.
Now back to Ottawa to win the race.
Hi, Zach. Zach, little Pig and Nibbles, they're actually in Ottawa now. They're on their way to your place. So one of them's going to be the winner, the grand prize winner, the fastest in the world. So I'll be over at your place in a minute and we'll go see who is going to be the winner.
Mr. Uber driver, can you bring me to Zach's house, please? As fast as you can. So, did I win? Did I win?
No, I did. Ha ha ha. I was over your house, and here I am.
Alright, so Piggy and Nibbles, before I start with my questions, I'd just like to introduce my little sister Zoe. She's invited. Alright, after.
So ask your questions, Zach.
So, Nibbles, Piggy, I am glad to announce that both of you are tied in your race around the world, which means that you both are equally as fast. So, Nibbles, I heard you went, using a naval travel. What places did you visit, and, what did you eat? How was it in general?
So it was pretty amazing. Whoop, I fell down. Okay. So yeah, I traveled to Egypt and England, and I saw kangaroos, and I saw the pyramids. Hello, Zozo. How you doing?
You hold it.
Oh, yeah, you can hold me. Go ahead.
Oh, that's
Give me a big hug. Oh, you're so nice. Thank you.
That's really interesting, Nibbles. I'm glad you had a fun time.
I did too. It was so amazing. What you doing, little Dodo? And I got to see like an airplane. It was really, really fun. It's true.
Now that we have declared the winners, we will all have a feast upstairs. And best of all for you, Nibbles, we have loads of hummus.
Oh, boy. Can't wait.
All right, Nibbles, all right, Piggy, let's finally eat.
All right. This is a wonderful spread. Awesome. Hope you like beans.
Do you have any hummus?